have a winner?
Oh, she's gonna run now. She's cleared out.
Stop dragging.
First time when I shifted the second, holy crap.
Dude, you got more parts hanging off the ground than anything. I don't know what's hanging off the front. Some plastic stuff, it looks like.
You're right. So what happened to our first car here?
What did happen? Oh shoot, we're off the rim over here. Well, first one we cut the fuel line in the back. So we had to rerun all the wires. And then Buddy just ran awful the last race. Awful.
Let's play that footage right now. But so now we gotta build this one.
It's gonna run a lot better.
Cause you saw that last race, we pretty much fucked that freaking cavy.
That thing was toast. This is a winner right here.
What do you call that? What kind of shape?
No fucking blades. I think that 2 triangles put together, 3 triangles. That is 3 triangles put together.
Alrighty, so here lies car number 1. See, Buddy got beat up pretty good, especially in the back end here. This whole back axle, you see that wheel's cocked. Look at that sucker. It's beat up pretty good here. The tank was leaking, and you just saw in the last video, in the last junk car race video, in the second race, it just did not run good at all. Stripped the bumper off, took the terminals off, took the fuel switch out, took the chicken wire off the front. Gonna be taking these donuts off here in the back, put those on the rear of the Sunfire. Rims are good, just like I said, that back end's beat up pretty good, but she ran good in the first race, but oh, look at that, we got a hole there. Oh yeah. But new one's gonna run even better. We're gonna have brakes this time. So hopefully Parker can actually do something with the race this time. But if not, it'll be a fun time. And you see, I did a nice little paint job and pinstriping here. Wait till you see the new one. Not sure what we're gonna do with it yet, but it's gonna be dope. And then we got Big Kahuna here. Save the big bumper for last. Holy man, I can't even pick it up myself. That thing's big. So we're gonna be using that, going in the front of the next car.
What's up, guys? So we're ripping into this thing right now, as you see. If you're watching this video, subscribe down below. Our analytics tell us that 95% of you aren't subscribed. That's pretty shitty. So if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get back to it.
Nice.
Oh, nice and easy. Oh, you just got too much.
Huh?
12 on. 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 Hey, hold on. This side's not cracked. Put your fingers over here.
Yeah, there's a crack there too.
Not like that.
No, not like that.
I'm gonna lift it up to you.
Of course, Parker's sitting down on the job again.
All that barely cracked. I think the fucking.
I'm gonna cut that while it's there. Man, look at that. That wasn't too bad.
Ryan. I think we can fit a lot on yet. Oh, we still got the third brake light. Rip it around in the field, do reverse donut.
Yeah, that's plan, isn't it?
No, that's a truck show.
That's what I thought. It looks like it is. Oh, you can go in there?
Yeah. We're having a truck show there.
Yeah, but I thought they said not to fucking go in it with the razor and shit.
Yeah, you can do a donut. It won't hurt it.
Yeah, right. So you better toss mine.
Ryan don't care unless he has to cut. Oh!
I told him. I said to stay out of the building.
We gotta push that out of there.
The bumper works.
Some kind of stupid.
I was not mindful. You should do it in the ground.
Yeah, don't fucking hit the shed like a jackass.
Yeah, something like that. Just slid down. I just drove right into it on purpose.
Holy fuck. What do I always bitch about shit? This is fucking why. Stupid shit like this. I don't know if we're gonna do it. We gotta hook it up. We gotta pull the ass out of it. The fan works. Hey. The fan's on. I can't believe that damn bumper held up.
Back up, I gotta get a photo.
At least didn't hit a stud or anything crazy.
This is why we don't do stupid things.
I'll push him up here. As long as you keep it slow. Just keep it slow first.
Alright, go get the sledge. Probably want to end today's video, so if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And like I said, subscribe down below. Catch you in the next video.